a female calliope. She licks at the nectar with her forked tongue. His heart palpitates at over 1,200 beats per minute. But will she like him back?